Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook good rice. First, choose your preferred type of rice, such as long grain white or jasmine. Next, place 1 cup of rice into a fine mesh sieve or bowl. Rinse it thoroughly under cold running water, gently swirling the grains with your hand. Continue rinsing until the water is completely clear, which usually takes about 3 to 4 rinses. This simple step is crucial for achieving distinct, non-sticky grains, enhancing the overall texture and taste of your final dish. Achieving perfect rice starts with the correct water ratio. For most white rice varieties, combine 1 cup of rice with 1 1/2 cups of cold water in a heavy-bottomed pot. If you are cooking brown rice, increase the water to 2 cups for every 1 cup of rice. Some chefs also recommend soaking brown rice for at least 30 minutes before cooking, which helps the grains absorb water evenly, ensuring a more consistent cook. Once your rice and water are in the pot, bring the mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it boils, stir it once quickly, then immediately reduce the heat to the absolute lowest setting. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid, ensuring no steam escapes. Allow the rice to simmer gently for about 15 minutes for white rice or 45 minutes for brown rice, without lifting the lid at any point. After the designated cooking time, remove the pot from the heat but keep the lid on. Let the rice rest undisturbed for 10 minutes. This resting period is critical as it allows the remaining steam to fully distribute throughout the grains, resulting in a perfectly tender and fluffy texture. Finally, gently fluff the rice with a fork rather than a spoon to separate the individual grains. Serve your perfectly cooked rice immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.